Good noon to all of you. Hopefully, you all are doing very well and everything would be going very fine. As you know, I have continuously made many videos for you to enhance your phone's look because whenever it comes to usage of phone, people get bored because when it comes to phone, someone is addicted. Mostly people are addicted to it and they just use phone for entertainment and just scrolling or other just wastage purposes. So there comes a time when they get bored of looks of their phones. So to avoid those things, and also for those people who are in self-love, who are obsessed with themselves, so there's an application today that both of kind of people can utilize and make their phone more better. So click on the name art application I have here. Just see the logo, and whenever you are installing any application from Play Store, just make sure that you have choose the logo very carefully, because if the logo would be different, then the functions would be different and this video would be of no use for you. So let's click on this pink button, because after this we will get a chance of adding a name like creation, add name. I am going to add name here, and that name is Alexa. Now click on add text, and after this ad, because my phone was connected to internet, so I have this ad, and after this just see how you can utilize it. Now very first one addition you can make to it is this one background, and you can add an image from your gallery, from any album of your gallery, and just see it will be applied there. I am clicking this one. Now scale it, zoom in and zoom out. Click on the tick button at the top right, and there's again an ad, and just see the name is here. It's here. Now if you want to change the background, now just change the color. Simply a color will be applied to the background, and this one I got catchy. Now go below and you can change the style of the name, like font style and font colors. Just see which colors would look more good and which colors will look more catchy with peach, this one or this one. And that one I got good, and that is I am applying. Next is your that is the selection of your design of the text, and just see which one you want to have here. This one is more catchy with peach, and just see the below, you can apply whatever you want to. Next is the text style, font style actually. Just see Alexa, this style, this one and this one, you can apply any one. Next is the shadow opacity, and I am liking this shadow, so I would have here. Now there is the termination, there is the slip, x y. These both are not looking good, but opacity is good, so let's keep it here. Now go back and click on add text. If you want to add another text to the similar image, then you can add just by making Alexa hover. Click on add text, and hover is here. Just see, make it here, and we can change the size by having two fingers on the single word, and it is being here. Now if you want to change its style, then just go for it, but if you want to if you don't want to change, then just keep it. Like I am adjusting the names over and over like this, and hover is not so simple to be adjusted because I am adjusting with hands. And just see, now it's here. Now whenever it comes to the next edition, you can add an image to this picture from your gallery. Like I am adding this one again, and click on tick button, and just see wherever you want to locate the image, and anything you can have that. Otherwise just click on the cross and it will be gone. So that's the thing, how you can edit your images, how you can edit your things, your names, your wallpapers from here. And after that just click on export. Here's an ad again, because I told you before my phone is connected to internet. And just see, after closing it, it will be exported easily to any application. Click on share, or just click on this home button to save it to your home, just to save it to your gallery. So that's how you can have. Click on exit. And for very important thing, whenever you are going to install any application from Play Store, just make sure the logos, as I told you before, because my videos are on specific, very specific applications and softwares or websites. So hopefully we are going to meet in next video, and this application is going to help you a lot, like the previous ones and like the upcoming ones.